Sure. Here's a scrambled-style YouTube video script for the review of RQ-11 Drone Fighter Teyara 2025, written without any headings and scrambled around 3,000 characters. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most futuristic, stealth-inspired aerial systems of 2025, the RQ-11 Drone Fighter Teyara. At first glance, the ultra-shiny glossy green bodywork instantly grabs attention, not just for style but also for its advanced aerodynamic engineering. With a sleek, compact profile, it's built to dominate both reconnaissance and tactical missions while keeping radar visibility to a minimum. Now, when you look closer, the detailing on this drone is unreal. Every curve and surface has purpose, whether it's minimizing drag or optimizing airflow for max performance. The rear propulsion system is integrated seamlessly, giving it an almost sci-fi appearance. This isn't just a drone, it's a symbol of next-gen air superiority. Under the shell, it's packed with a high-output electric propulsion system, making it not only powerful but entirely emission-free, something rarely seen in combat-grade drones. The noise reduction tech allows it to cruise through the air almost silently, while its modular payload system supports a variety of mission profiles, from surveillance to light strike capability. The 2025 version also comes with upgraded AI-assisted navigation, real-time terrain mapping, and target acquisition that reacts in milliseconds. That means faster decision-making, better situational awareness, and more accurate engagement. It's essentially a flying computer with a wingspan. Let's talk design for a second. This glossy ultra-shiny green finish isn't just for show, it's coated with a new thermal deflective material that enhances heat resistance and reduces IR signature. The matte gloss blend on some body edges ensures a tactical advantage in mixed light environments. It stands proudly in the showroom, but its real home is in the sky, gliding over cities, borders, or battlefields, completely unseen. There's something so futuristic yet grounded about the way the RQ-11 presents itself. Every inch feels engineered with intention. The carbon composite structure adds durability without sacrificing agility. This drone can maneuver with shocking precision in tight aerial corridors. For control systems, the cockpit is virtual. Operators use advanced AR/VR tech to simulate real cockpit immersion. It integrates seamlessly with ground command, satellites, and fleet-level strategy tools. Simply put, you're never flying blind. Now, one standout feature this year is the auto-return hybrid intelligence. If it senses threat loss or communication jamming, it autonomously charts a safe return or continues the mission based on real-time AI evaluation. That's the kind of futuristic smart warfare tech that sets the RQ-11 apart from other drone fighters. Whether you're an enthusiast, analyst, or part of a tactical unit, this drone